Hello, it's James from the Clever Car Collection. Today I'm here to show you this brilliant little Suzuki Celerio. It's got a 1 litre engine, it's on a 2018 plate, and it's done just 9,750 miles. I'm going to show you around it so you can see what you can expect when you come and see it here at the Clever Car Collection. Let's take a look. Okay, so this is it, the 2018 Suzuki. It's got really low insurance group, this, perfect for first time drivers. It's just 07E is the insurance group. I'm just going to show you around it, show you any marks I've spotted, so you can see what to expect when you get here. I mean, as I said, just 9,750 miles here. There's a couple of marks on the bumper there. We'll have a little look in closer detail in a moment. And we'll have a little walk around this side. Overall, this is in good condition. Have a look inside. Really nice. Now, this was previously owned by a lady owner who's decided to give up driving. She's just retired, and before that it was owned by her parents, who used it infrequently. So it's been in the family for two of those previous three owners, and the owner before that was the garage, who had pre-regged it. So nice family owned car this. Let's have a little look at up close. Little mark there on the bumper, nothing major. Little tiny one there. Bonnet all looks good. Little mark here, just on the front. Let's have a look at the wheels. 14-inch wheels. Now this was MOT'd last week. On the MOT, because it hasn't actually been used much, the tyres came up and had been cracked or perished, so they will be replaced for the new owner. I'll sort that out, and we'll give it a new 12-month MOT. So yeah, see on there, just a couple of marks on the bumper and on this side too. Keep going around on this side. These 14-inch wheels. Haven't actually spotted any marks on here. And just a couple of marks there on the hubcap. Right, just show you the boot space. It's good for this car. Parcel shelf there in place. Some additional seat covers. You can see split fold rear seats. In the back, here's a 5-door this. Got 3 seat belts, which is always nice, and ISOFIX points for your car seat on both sides. As you can see, nice and clean in here. Zoom out a little bit, show you. We'll jump in the front and I'll show you what's what. So, jumping in, find the key, it's in my pocket. There are 2 keys. I'll start it up so you can see there are no warning lights. 1 litre engine in this, as I said. Turn the radio off. It does 66 miles to the gallon this, and has got 67 brake horsepower. This side you've got radio, FM, AM and DAB importantly, traffic announcements, media, CD player, and that's your heating and cooling system with a rear heated screen. Nice big glove box with some what look like air fresheners, which I'm sure I can include in the deal for the new owner. 5-speed manual gearbox, and electric windows and central locking. There you go, let's have a look at the dash. 9,757 miles. Right, let's talk about the history. So history wise, as I said, previous family owned car this, and it has only done 9,750 miles. In the service book there's stamps at 1,000 miles in 2019 and a stamp at 3,097 miles in 2020, and the most recent service was in 2021, excuse me. The new owner will take delivery of this, as I said, with a new 12-month MOT, so we'll sort those tyres out. We'll also give it a service, so that's up to date, and you'll get a you'll get a 3-month, 3,000 mile warranty as part of the sale. It's available to view and test drive here at the Clever Car Collection. I'm James at clevercarcollection.com, or you can find us on Auto Trader, where I implore you to have a little look at our reviews. We work very hard at giving a 5-star service, and I hope to be giving you the same service when you come and see this car, and hopefully taking it away with you once you've driven it. I couldn't work out what to say there. Anyway, look forward to seeing you. Thanks ever so much for watching. Goodbye.